Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, hi, this is Anshu. I create content around beauty. So if you are interested in more such videos, please consider subscribing, like this video, share this video with your friends and family. Now without further ado, let's get into the video. So So if you were wondering about this look, I have created this look with using just Blue Heaven products. So as you can see, so if you are interested in this tutorial, I will definitely upload this. So in this video, I am going to be doing top eyeshadow palettes recommendation, which are under 500 rupees. So if you are interested in knowing what are my topics, so let's jump into the video. Okay, so then first is this one. This is the Swiss Beauty Ultimate eyeshadow palette, and I am obsessed. I use all the Blue Heaven product, otherwise I would have done a blue. As you can see, I will show you the pigmentation. These are really pigmented, so if you want a colorful palette which is all matte, as you can see, these are so pigmented. Let me just show you the purple, and I have shown the swatches in my short video, so you can watch that as well. Let me just show you. See, this is one swipe, and you can slowly build the pigmentation, and they just blend so easily. And this palette, when you see, is not a cohesive. You might think like, what will I do with this one? But this is really good for the one done shadows, or you can use a neutral palette, then use this palette. That will also look bomb. I have done one done with purple, with blue, so these are like really pigmented, easy to blend, so no fuzz. And these were like 229 or something, so these are really inexpensive and they perform so well. Now the next one is also a Swiss Beauty palette and you can see me in this uh, on the screen. So this is their 32 shadows palette. So let me just cover the mirror, and as you can see, it's more big than my face. These are some bomb as metallic shadows. As you can see, it has like some neutral, some really pale shades. You can use them to set your powder. And these metallic, I will show you the swatch. They are, oh my god, look at that, just one swipe. These are so buttery. My favorite is this mauve shade. So they have plums, they have copper, they have gold. This palette have beautiful golds, plums, this beautiful green, you know so many basic, but they have a black, they have a glitter, shimmery sort of black, blue. So this palette has you know quite a nice variety of neutrals, and I think if you have only this one, you are sorted. You don't need any other palette. You can, they have no gray and blue. You do your eyebrows with them, and that's a lot. There are so many ways in which you can use a eyeshadow palette. You can use this as contour as well. So this palette, I think if you have this, will sort all of your purpose, like really. And after just opening this palette, I want to highlight my inner corner. Look at that. They are like so pigmented. You can see. Okay, it's looking so pretty. It's not properly blended, but still it is looking really pretty. I will highly recommend you. Let me just swatch, the plum tone, which are my absolute favorite. See, they are very pigmented. So I think if you have this palette, you don't need any other palette. Okay, so the next one is this infamous, as you can see, mine, the sticker was not coming off. I tried so much, and this is dirty. I have tried to wash it, but no use, by the way. So as you can see, this has the most beautiful warm tone neutrals. So if you are a warm tone lover, there are so many shades. Plus this has this beautiful lilac-y transition shade. I hope this is visible, and let me just show you. So if you are a beginner and you want to learn, this is such a great palette because they are so easy to use, so blendable, highly pigmented, and you can create endless looks with these 10 shades also. That one has 32 shades, this has 10 shades, but still the 10 shades are really pigmented and pretty. The only dirt shade, let me be very honest, is this one. This is like hard pan. I don't know, this just does not translate onto your skin, and I don't know what happened with that shade. And I have heard some other bloggers also complaining that shade is like not showing up, so I don't know, but rest of the shades are really pretty. So coming on to the next one is that same range but different. This is entirely a cool zone. This is the shade Nude Awakening, that was Rose in the Air. And as you can see, this shade, I have not used this up. Once I hit pan on this just crumbles so bad. At that time I didn't even know that you can fix this, so I threw the shade because it was creating a mess in my vanity. But these are also really good, you guys. These are nude shades, so I'm trying to swatch. Let me just swatch the black because it is really pigmented. Can you guys see? It's really pigmented, and the burgundy shade here is really pretty. Let me just show you. See, so you can create so many smoky eyes, and here was a really beautiful gray shade which I can which was going well with my eyebrows, so I was continuously using that. And once I hit pan on it, it just completely crumbled on me, and I don't know. See, the metallics of this one is also really good. So I don't know why that happened with me, but the uh, um that shade just crumbled on me. Do let me know if this same thing happened with you as well. But otherwise, that palette is really pretty, really pretty. Okay, so the last one is this beautiful, like this what they call this, um, quad. Yeah, this, look at this. I am a sucker for mauve eyeshadow palette, and this is so pretty. Let me just show you this beautiful lilac. It's really pretty. It's and the transition shade is my favorite. But look at the blue. I mean, look at the what this is called. Look at the shade. Eggplant, yeah. This is like the perfect eggplant. And if you have this, you cannot create many looks out of it, I agree, but still it is such a pretty handy dandy to travel with a palette. If you want to travel, this will come so handy. This one was for rupees 300, and but I think it is totally worth. The shade are so pretty, it's really gorgeous. I will definitely mention the shade name because I cannot remember. Okay, so I found out the shade name. It is Petalite. I don't know. I will definitely mention the name. The name is written here. But it is such a pretty quad. If you are into simple looks and you want something for your travel, that will come really handy. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you will like this video, and if you did, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share my videos with your friends and families, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.